Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name's Cassidy Artavia, and today I'm going to be showing y'all what I'm packing for my Italy abroad trip. I'm going on this trip for 90 days, which is amazing and crazy and such a fun experience. I'm actually going to be an au pair, which is an international live-in nanny. I feel like since my purpose for traveling is au pairing, it's definitely hard to find a middle ground for incorporating Euro summer fashion versus what an actual au pair would wear for leaning towards more comfort and play with the kid that I'm going to be watching. And I would love to talk to y'all more about what it takes to be an au pair and how to become an au pair. If y'all want to see content like that about what website I use, how I converse with the family, how many tries it took, please comment down below and I can show y'all a lot more about what it takes to become an au pair. Today I'm going to finish packing. I didn't finish packing yesterday. I only picked out the outfits. But filming just took so much out of me and I didn't feel like complying with my goal. Anyways, today's already been a day. I got a wonderful, lovely text through Venmo from Thou Who Shall Not Be Named. Don't look at my open closet. It's really not bad, but I just don't like how it looks. Anyways, I'm gonna actually put everything in the suitcase and weigh it and pack all my toiletries. I also made a list so I don't forget anything. Let's do it. This is what I'm working with. I have a couple packing cubes where I'm going to try to roll as many clothes as I can into them. I'm going to do my best to try and fit it all into this medium-sized 360 suitcase, as well as this weekender carry-on bag that I got from Amazon. This one actually held a lot. This one held like all my tops and all my pants. So all I have left is shorts and skirts. Please don't break. Man down, man down, man down. I'm packing 3 pairs of shoes and wearing one, which are these. Okay, so I already have my face wash and moisturizer packed up, and I'm gonna fit all of this in there as well, and this will go in my personal item for the plane. For my toiletries bag going in my checked bag, here's what I have. It's just like your usual hang up toiletries bag. Not sure if I'll use it, but I am bringing makeup. Literally the only reason I would use this is if I went on a date, which how it's looking right now, I'm a little too shy. there's room left for clothes to bring back.